So I've been running this thing pretty hard, Matt, to see if we can recreate your no start when hot issue, but I think we've got her fixed. I honestly just think she doesn't like getting started off choke for some reason. Like it's just ready to rock without choke, so. Here we go. Let's turn it off, turn it back on. I think our hot start issue is fixed. Now let's check out the 44. Now that I finally fixed the goddamn bar stud. He's sitting out, keep wanting to vibrate the nut off, but wow. I tell you what, you guys wondering what kind of, what saw you want? Just feeling this after running that 660, this thing feels like a freaking feather compared to that thing. So all you guys are thinking, oh, I want a 660 big mean saw. You might want to think about one of these little bad boys because they got a lot of power. Right now I'm rocking a 25-inch bar just for testing. Usually you guys know I run a 32. But yeah, let's see how this is going. I've got, if you're looking close, these rakers are super low. This is my torque test chain here. I got a little crazy with those, so this thing pulls pretty hard. It'll yank you right into the cut if you're not careful. So let's see here.
Yeah.